Let's demonstrate today what's the difference when you are using a really dull chains versus like brand new ones. I have used this chain for a couple of days now and it's like really dull. So I just put a little bit 2-stroke gasoline and chain loop into this Dolmar chainsaw, and then we're gonna use the old blade to cut some trees, and then let's change this dull chain to this brand new one, which is made by Oregon, which I think it's a really quality manufacturer of these chains. There's like no point of using this dull blade. As we can see, it doesn't cut the tree almost at all. So it's kind of waste of time. So let's change the chain to a brand new one so we know the difference how well like really new, brand new sharp chain cuts the wood. And if you are unsure that the new chain spins also in the right direction, just take a look at the old chain and put the new chain over it. And as we can see, now the blades are pointing at the same direction, so we know it's the right way to put this new chain into this chainsaw. Then we just take out the old blade and replace it with the new one. And now we tighten the chain. We don't tighten the chain too much or make it too loose. Just that the chain spins freely and it won't come off from the trail. So let's put the cover back on to its place and let's tighten these screws. a brand new chain can get loose quite soon after we have installed it, so we might need to adjust the tightness after a while. So let's go and test how the new chain cuts the tree versus the old one. So this is the place where we use the dull blade chain. And let's try with the brand new chain. It cuts the tree like a butter. So you don't even need to push the chainsaw down. Let's cut one piece off. There's like no point of using a dull chain to cut trees. You save a lot more time when you sharpen the chain with hand tools or replace it with a brand new before it gets dull, and you save a lot more time.